Dreams feel distant on the workday road, a weight of duty, a heavy load, trying to climb, but the pace is slow, wondering how far I've yet to go. Doubt and delays cloud the view, but I find my resolve and see it through. Rising through the haze, patient and strong, turning setbacks into a brand new song, balancing hope with the steps I take, building tomorrow with each move I make. Every challenge, a lesson to learn, effort and patience for the future I earn. Holding to dreams, grounded